Hi guys, OnePlus 70 Pro Mclaren 5G smartphone. It is global version smartphone. It supports all Google applications, include Google Play Store, and it supports all language menus. Here are all the language menus it supports. I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from one pieces. We can make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver the smartphones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China. I will put B2B contact link below the video. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. If you like the phone, you can place us the order. If you want to make B2B business of OnePlus 70 Pro Mclaren 5G version smartphones, you can contact with us. We can deliver the smartphones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China. Okay, let's continue to review the smartphone. It is a 6.67 inch Fluid AMOLED LED display. Resolution is 90.5 to 90 radio, 516 ppi density. Resolution is 3120 pixels by 1440 pixels. It's from AMOLED glasses, are 6th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. It supports DCI P3 100% and supports HDR10+. Its screen refresh rate is 90 Hz and it supports dual nano SIM card. Its operating system is Android 10.0 operating system. CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 plus 7nm CPU octa-core 2.96 GHz. Memory storage have 12 GB ROM, 12 GB RAM, 256 GB ROM. It supports UFS 3.0. The phone have 4 cameras. Selfie front camera is motorized point up 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture, and its main cameras are triple cameras. (48 megapixel f1.6 aperture, 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture, 16 megapixel f2.2 aperture. It supports dual LED flashlight. The battery built-in is 4085 mAh battery built-in. Supports 5V 6A 30W fast battery charging. And it supports fingerprint under the display. 3.1 Type-C to USB port, NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BTS, Galileo, Bluetooth 5.0. It's from AMOLED glasses, R5 are 6th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. Let me show you the camera. Its really camera's details is super clearly. And it's from camera is motorized point-up 16 megapixel camera. Here are all the language menus it supports. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. This is orange split color. Oneplus 70 Pro Mclaren Edison. Type-C to USB cable. This is the charger. 5V 6A fast charger. This is the leather manual. Warranty certificate. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. If you want to make B2B the business of the smartphones, you can contact with us. We can make it global sending. We can deliver the smartphones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China.